Hello Patreon pals. Today I'm going to make some robots. Well, I've been working on my robots. Today I'm going to finish my robots. It's a fun journey. Come along. It'll be a hoot. Hello everybody. Happy Sunday. Happy New Year. Hope your New Year is going well so far. We're 5 days in. Got no complaints. I'm having a good time. Today, I'm finishing up some robots for my Patreon supporters, and the further into this adventure I go, the more things I realize I would have done a little differently. But that's the adventure of making things. So right now I bought this assortment of screws at Harbor Freight last time I was there, thinking that I would use them to build a silkscreen rig, which I'll be doing in the future hopefully, but I figured there's a neat thing I could do. I could put them on my robot's feet. Look at that. Before they were just these are old coat hangers. Now I've got springs. Just recently disassembled shower curtain. Got all these little BBs. So now these little BBs are part of my robots too. These are just helpful things. Always liked making wooden robots, and now I'm learning new ways to make better wooden robots, because I want my Patreon pals to have the coolest wooden robots ever, within time constraints. This is part of a screen which I have cut to fit in their mouths as little speakers. This guy has a ball bearing there. They all have pennies on the back. And names. This one is called Zipsy. So, now I guess I'm going to do a little bit of fast motion work. Try to keep things in frame. And hopefully make some enjoyment. Here's a cool fortune I liked. Every once in a while one of them comes along. It says, "Let reality be reality." It's pretty deep. Alright. I'd like to finish these up today, pack them up, mail them out.
What is this thing called robot magic?
I picked up this little number here at Harbor Freight a couple years ago when I was thinking, hey, I'm gonna start airbrushing. That'll make things easy. But I don't have any money. So I bought this really cheap airbrush kit that you can see is now being held together with duct tape, because both of these parts fly off when the pressure gets too high. So hopefully this fix here will keep this on. We'll see. I think I'm somewhat at the end here. I just want to spritz them on the top and on their arms, and then glaze them. They should be done. I'm gonna go with the arms there. Spritz, 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 spritz right here in the antenna. Spritz, spritz. Want my robots to look like they've lived a robot life. I don't know. I'm going to treat my boys and girls here to some spray glaze. I'll call it a day. Well, it's actually been 5 days.
And finally, here are pictures of all my finished robots. Ah, what fun we had together. Making robots, painting robots, screwing things into robot, airbrushing robot, spray glazing robot. Soon I'll be putting robots into boxes and sending them out to my $15 Patreon patrons. So, thank you very much for that. And thank you to all my Patreon patrons for your support with my journey, career, and art. If you'd like to join my Patreon, you can do so for as little as $1 a month. Here's a link. You can't click on the link though. But there's where it is. I really appreciate all the Patreon help, and it's really allowed me the chance to make some very fun art. Either here or here. It's probably here, I think. Here is a list of all my Patreon friends. Thank you again for everything. Now I say goodbye, and we'll talk again soon. Thank you, everybody.